The Liberty two-step. We start in open position. Gentleman starts left foot, lady right foot. We start in the third position front. And we're going to start the dance by step and point forward. So we step forward and point. Now we're going to close the inside foot to a fifth position rear, and you're going to pivot to face the opposite direction. Now you're going to do exactly the same movement against line of dance. Step, point, close to a fifth position rear, that's the toe to the heel, and pivot round to face line of dance again. Now we're going to go into a solo open turn. That's the progressive and the rotary. And that's the progressive and the rotary. And you finish in a handshake hold. That is right hands joined. Right, we just show you those first bars again from the beginning. It's step and point. Step, point, close and turn. And again, step, point, close and turn. A solo turn. And you finish in the third position in a handshake hold. That is right hands joined. Now the next part of the dance, you're both going to do a pas de basque along the line of dance and then against the line of dance. And 1, a 2, 2, a 2, and you're going to circle round your partner to change places. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And at this point you close to a fifth position front. And you're going to do a pas de basque along the line of dance and 1, a 2, and against the line of dance. And you're going to circle back to your places and take up waltz hold. And we finish with 2 bars of waltzing. Right, we show you those whole 16 bars together now. Right, left foot for man, right foot for lady, step and point, and step, point, behind and turn. Repeat. Solo turn, progressive half and the rotary. Handshake hold, pas de basque and against the line of dance. And circle round, a pas de basque along the line of dance and against the line of dance. Circle back to places, take up waltz hold, and you complete the dance with 2 bars of waltzing. Opening out, ready to start the next sequence.